Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler and it is July 2026. So that means that it is the 1 year anniversary of DAX For Humans. Yay! So to celebrate, I'm going to be giving away this copy of DAX For Humans to a US resident because shipping books overseas is really expensive. So apologize, this is only open to it's only going to be open to US residents. I'm going to post a link in the description when I posted this announcement on LinkedIn tomorrow. All you have to do is reply to that post or comment on that post, and I'll do a random selection and ship you off a copy of this DAX for Humans book that I'm holding right here. And I don't know if this means anything or not, but this is one of the original print versions of the book. So this was when it was being published under Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, right? So this is not one that was published by Pact. This is one of the original print runs. So good luck, and hope to see you in the comments. See ya.